All right, we got the Carefor eye massager. We're gonna unbox it. Okay, so we need to cut this right here. And I want to keep the thing intact, so I'm trying not to, oh, here we go, right here. Just want to get the plastic off it. And there we go. All right, so anyway, this is it here, right? There's a little QR code here you can scan with the Transparency app. And apparently you have to download an app with this. It's a sleep mask made in China. And that's it right there. So let's go ahead and let's pull it out of here and see what we think. Okay, look, damn, oh, this is cute. Look, check this out. It comes in this cool little container. And you do get this booklet that kind of explains everything. So you definitely want to, do something with it. I'm going to put it back in the box. We're just going to go ahead and close the box up. I'm going to set the box right there. And now, to find this, all we got to do is unzip it. That's right, so we've got her unzipped, right? Pop it open. Let's see what's in here. Okay, you get a charge cord. Let's see what's in the charge cord. Let's see what kind of charge cord it is. I think it's a USB-C. Nope, it's a regular USB. You see that? And it goes, so you're going to need this. You got to charge it, right? And we'll see where we have to charge. Let's set that there for right now. Let's go ahead and just pull them out and see what they look like. I think they're going to be cool. What do you guys think? Set that over there. Oh, look. Wow. Carefor. Wow, look at those. And there's the on button. Let's see if there's any power on them. I think you have to hold it.
Welcome to use Intelligent Eye Massager Integrated Mode.
There it goes. Look, it's doing it. Look. See it? Watch. It's moving on the inside. And you have music. And I think you can increase it and decrease it here. Wow. Look at it. See how it's filling up? Yeah. These are, I don't know what these do. I don't think they do anything. It's cool music, right? It's got 2 speakers. And here's your charging port. That's where you charge it. This is called Carefor. All right, so we're gonna have to try it out, okay? We're gonna have to try it. I'm gonna have to put it on. So hang on for a second. Just so you guys can hear, that's the music coming from the speakers. There's your charging port. This makes the music go up and down, and this is your start button, which you gotta press and hold. And you can see it oscillating, look. See how it squishes out? So yeah, I think they're pretty cool. All right, I would definitely give them a try. See what you guys think. So to turn it off, I'm just gonna press it and hold it.
Thank you for using. Goodbye.
Goodbye. All right, so I gotta try it on, right? Let me get in position. I gotta take my glasses off. And then we're just gonna go ahead and slip her on. Here we go, you ready? Wow, that feels good. You gotta shut your eyes too, by the way. And the music is awesome. Now over here is the controls. And I think you can go up and down right here. So if I do that, the music goes higher. If I do that, the music goes lower. So this is for the music. This part right here. And it's nice and warm. Feels good. I think it works. It's very relaxing. See if you can see it doing anything here. You can feel it squeezing all through there, and it's warm. Oh yeah, it feels good. Oh yeah. I think I can put it a little bit higher. Oh yeah, pushes right on your occipital, I think it's called, bone. Yeah, I would say yeah. This is pretty good. I like it. And it's going through a bunch of different music. So I'm going to put it up here for now. I would give this a 4 or 5 star. I think it's good. So peace out. Get one of them, especially if you got headaches. I think this might work. You can't walk around with it on though. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.